In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT for prompt for the Midjourney images. For that, the process is very simple and easy. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. I will be providing the link of the Midjourney in the description below so you guys can check it out in order to get into it. So make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So let's dive right into the video. So what you have to do is open up the ChatGPT and type in get. So what you have to do is to type in any sort of prompt, and ChatGPT will create a prompt for your image. And if you want a specific category for the prompt, you can type in the category. For example, if you want to make a prompt for a image that should look like a movie from a movie scene or a particular movie scene or any sort of description that you have in your mind, you can get right into the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will make a brief prompt for the Midjourney. For example, all I have to do is to copy this prompt and then go back to the Midjourney, and here I'll have to type backslash then imagine and then the prompt, and then press enter, and it will create image. So here you guys can see that it have created that image that I wanted to create, and if I want to go with a specific version of the video, a specific version of the image, all I have to do is to select the image. For example, if I like the first image, I can go with the first image, but if I like third image, I can go with the third image, and I can select between different sort of versions. For example, I can go with third version, and it will create more images for that. So that's how you can use the ChatGPT from the Midjourney prompt. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.